New to the BlueVENOM range, this is the XF200P3 from Cigweld. This is a 3-in-1 200 amp inverter featuring single and double pulse MIG, as well as pulse stick and pulse TIG. It's also got over 750 synergic lines, all in that compact, all-in-one unit. And with this unit, you can weld up to 12mm plate with a very easy plate thickness selection. And of course, the advantage of that pulse process is you get a TIG finish weld at a MIG speed. Now, out of the box, it's set up ready to go for aluminium MIG welding. With the nylon inlet guide and liner, as well as the U-roller bearings are already fitted to grabbing onto that softer aluminium wire. But it also comes with a spare steel inlet guide, as well as V and gasless rollers that you can just switch in as you need them for other welding applications. Now, speaking of those rollers, they are driven by a cog-to-cog drive system, which delivers a nice, smooth, consistent travel of your wire, which is great, especially for aluminium wire. Now, up front, you've got a nice, easy-to-use control system. It's very intuitive. You've got a bright LCD display and a very simple setup and welding guide. You also press that home button at the front to get you back to the first screen at any time. Simply choose your process, your material, your wire size, and the plate thickness, and the machine does the rest. You're ready to weld. And you can easily customize and tweak just about every setting on the machine, especially if you've got the know-how, but it does come with a full color manual with pictures to help those of you that don't. And if you're like me and you're fiddled with everything and you need to factory reset it, you can do that in a jiffy just by powering it off and on again while holding down the settings button. To use this machine, you'll need a 15 amp outlet, but it does come with a MIG gun with Euro connection, 300 amp clamp, your earth clamp, your twist lock electrode holder, as well as a quick connect gas hose and regulator. It comes with an extra sneaky 6 months warranty if you register it with Cigweld after you purchase it from your local Sydney Tools store, where it's available now. You can also go online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs on this unit. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.